See question number 6. There are two mirrors PQ and RS placed parallel to each other, and a ray of light AB strikes to the mirror PQ at B and get reflected towards BC, and also strikes to mirror RS at C and get back along CD. Prove that AB parallel CD. So first of all, given PQ parallel RS, and to prove AB parallel to CD. Now construction we will draw perpendicular to this PQ. This is BM, and also draw perpendicular here from point C. This will be CN. So draw perpendicular MB to PQ and NC to RS. We can take this angle as angle 1, angle 2, this one is angle 3, this one is angle 4. So prove. Since PQ parallel to RS, that is given, and MB perpendicular to PQ and NC perpendicular to RS by construction. So MB parallel to NC. We know that if perpendicular drawn to parallel lines, then these perpendicular will be also parallel. So now angle 2 is equal angle 3. So these lines are parallel and BC is transversal, then angle 2 equal angle 3. These are alternate angles. See here, this is ray of incident, this is normal, and this is reflected ray. Then these angle 1, angle 2 will be equal. This one is incident, angle of incidence, and this is angle of reflection. Similar way, angle 3 equal angle 4. 3 is angle of incident and angle 4 is angle of reflection. So angle 1 equal angle 2 and angle 3 equal angle 4. This one is equation 1. Here is reason by laws of reflection of light. This one is equation 3 and this one is equation 4. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we get what is angle 2 equal angle 3 and 3 equal 4 and 1 equal 2, then angle 1 equal angle 4, then angle 1 equal angle 4 and angle 1 equal angle 4. Now adding angle 2, angle 1 equal angle 4. If we add angle 2 both sides, then we will get this complete angle. Adding angle 2 on both sides, we get, now you can add angle 2 plus angle 1 equals angle 2 plus angle 4, or angle 2 plus 1 this complete angle, and 2 plus 4, here we can replace 2 by angle 3, so this will be angle 3 plus angle 4 and angle 2 plus angle 1, since angle 2 equal angle 3. Now angle 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus 2 is angle ABC, and 3 plus 4 BCD. Now this is angle ABC, this is angle BCD, or but these are alternate interior angles. If interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So if this and this angle will equal, then AB and CD will be parallel. Then therefore AB parallel to CD. Hence the result, hence proved. This one was question number 6.